Should have been an email.
Hello, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Just waiting for David and then we can get started.
Sorry about that.
As usual.
That's all right.
It's David.
Hey, David. Okay, let's just get to it, guys. I have sent out several emails over the last few weeks asking that I get the P&L report every Friday, and I continuously have to ask, and it's delayed, and I just want to know what more can I do? I've sent you guys calendar invites reminding you every Friday to send me your P&L reports, but I'm not getting it. So somebody jump in and tell me what you guys can do or what I can do to get what I need.
I actually just have a quick question. Does the P&L report come after the QRS report or before the TUV report? I just don't understand which one we're supposed to write first.
Missy, we went over this last week in our meeting.
I was out last week. I'm so sorry. I was on vacation last week, and so I missed that part of the meeting.
Okay, well, I hope you had a good vacation, but the P&L...
I did. Thank you for asking. Do you know where we went? You'll never guess. Go ahead and guess. You'll never guess. Guess.
Maybe Cabo. I don't know.
No, I told you would never guess. We did the coal miners tour in Scranton, Pennsylvania.
Oh.
Did you know that we actually used to get heat and electricity from coal?
Yep.
It was fascinating. It was fascinating. So much better than being in a meeting talking about P&L reports. I mean, I thoroughly enjoyed it. So
well, what you don't know is that our fearless leader here comes from a long line of coal miners. She is a literal coal miner's daughter.
I thought by your last name, I was thinking it was coal related, but I didn't want to say anything. So you're part of the coal mining community?
I am, and you're definitely speaking my language there.
Wow, because you seem very uninterested in everything that I'm saying.
Well, it's just because I've talked about coal my whole life, so it's just not exciting anymore.
So you'd rather spend your life talking about P&L reports, I guess.
I love numbers, and I just want to get them.
Hey,
and
can I interrupt?
Yes, David.
Samie, as the court-appointed therapist for this group, I wanted to get curious about what you just said, that about talking about coal your entire life.
Silvana, who are you talking to?
Okay, see, outbursts like this are what I'm talking about, because I think that maybe what Missy was bringing up is kind of also bringing up some of that trauma from the coal days.
David, you're not even, I had you on this meeting so that you could help provide therapy, but you see on the screen, Silvana, oh, now she's gone. She's whispering to someone in the background. Right. These are strictly forbidden to have other people in the room.
There's nobody here. There's no one here.
Imagine if I pulled up the P&L report and I went over the numbers and someone in the background could have saw that. It's very private information.
So
wait a minute. The P&L report is private information. When was that discussed? Because I was not
discussed. Also, I don't know what a P&L statement is.
What? Profit and loss.
Is that what that stands for?
How have you guys been doing your financials each month?
I go into Excel and I click the little light bulb button that says, what do you need help with? And then I just type in P&L and then I hit enter. And then it comes up with I don't know, some sort of things, some numbers on it. And then I've been submitting that to Steve on every Tuesday of the 4th week of the year.
I look at a YouTube video where this guy teaches, you know, like math in like a different way, and he uses.
Is it Excel with Dan? Is it that one?
It's that one. It's the one that he uses Skittles as a representative. One Skittle is 400. Yeah.
I love that one. I never thought that Excel and Skittles would ever create something that made so much sense to my brain.
It's so good. I can't math without him. Like, it's just.
Well, can you get some Skittles and I'll send you Skittles if that'll allow me to get these reports on Fridays.
Samie, I think what you are missing right now is the fact that your staff is very resourceful. I mean, you have these strong, intelligent people who go out of their way to use their own minds in order to bring about change into your organization. Profit and loss is no more than just a representation of who we are on the inside. And I think that your staff they're really reaching out to you and saying, hey, look, this is our motivation. Our motivation is movement in the direction that we understand. And you are still stuck somewhere in a coal mine.
I really think we need to dig deep into your feelings because it might help your mind.
I see what you did there, Missy, and I appreciate that lesson.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So tell us your deepest, darkest secret about the coal.
It's very dark down there, and I don't like to talk about it.
Can I pick something out of you real quick?
Yes, David.
Okay, I want you to close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Well, sure, everyone can do it, but mostly the people with coal mine backgrounds. I want you to remember the first time you heard the canary stop chirping. What did little Samie feel? Go ahead. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I felt alone and afraid. I was by myself. Everybody was working and I was home by myself.
So I want to take you back to that moment. I want you to hear chirp, 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 chirp. And then suddenly it stops.
No. Where's my mommy and daddy?
Turn on your light. Samie, turn on your light.
The light's on.
Reach out for mommy.
I'm reaching for her. She picked me up.
When she turns around and looks at you, what face do you see on your mommy's face?
She's smiling at me.
Is it your mommy or is it you?
Oh, it was me. That was very therapeutic, David.
You know,
What method is that?
God, David.
Thank you.
You and I need to pick a one-on-one because I've also got a lot of trauma that I think needs to be addressed.
Full to the brim.
Absolutely.
Trauma.
That's what I'm here for. As long as the check clears. Oh, I'm sorry. I was trying to do a profit and loss like joke, but I'm not in your
world. It's not the time, David. It's not the time.
I'm not in your world. I apologize.
The Schubert method works. I already feel uplifted.
That was magical. That was magical. And now I feel like I'm ready to work on that P&L report.
And I'm ready to get those numbers. What's that?
Can we still get the Skittles?
You get 2 bags of Skittles this week.
Wow. The work.
I don't really care for Skittles though, so can you make mine like M&Ms, maybe the peanut kind, but not the kind that have chocolate and peanuts, the kind that have peanut and caramel and chocolate? Those are my favorite.
Okay.
You're the best, Samie.
Wow, Samie, that was good. Kudos.
Maybe.
I don't think I've ever said okay before.
Never. You have never said okay before to anything.
Wow.
Ever.
It felt okay.
Not a bad feeling. I'm so proud of you. You've come so far.
Yeah, you know, like how they say, like, coal, if you like dunk it in enough water, it becomes like a diamond or something.
Hmm.
Samie, the entire time I've worked with you, you've been pretty much a lump of coal.
Mm-hmm.
And today, I am starting to see that diamond shine through.
Beautiful words from your beautiful staff.
And imagine if you hadn't gone on your family vacation to Scranton, Pennsylvania. We would never know this beautiful
Thank
moment.
God for Scranton.
Exactly. I mean, people think that traveling to Pennsylvania coal mining country is boring, cheap, lazy, little weird, little creepy. I mean, that's what everyone on the train said. But I'm glad I have this story to prove them wrong.
Thank God for Pennsylvania.
Thank God for Pennsylvania.
Joe Biden and Taylor Swift, both from Pennsylvania.
And
Hershey chocolate.
coal.
Oh,
Cool.
Coal.
Cool.
I think I feel
Well,
in the Poconos right now.
I think I'm gonna get that report on Friday. Thanks, guys.
I'm going to be out on Friday, but I'll send it to you Monday. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
hi, Samie.
Wait, not Monday.
Should have been an email.